Welcome to the hybrid stand, where we're showcasing the latest Mimaki print technology here at the Sign and Digital Show. This is the new CJV200 printer cutter, new productivity levels, new print head, which is enabling us to offer customers the choice of 2 ink types, including a new budget solvent ink, which reduces your running costs. That, linked in with our ink saving functionality in the RIP, really means that you can deliver excellent print quality at a very affordable price. The benefit of our new budget solvent ink really comes to the fore when you're talking about our production machines like the JV and CJV 330. With their built-in bulk ink systems enabling you to run 2-litre sacks of ink, running costs are really driven way down, almost half the cost of normal Mimaki solvent ink, meaning that people can run massive production speeds with really low level costs. This is our UJF small flatbed printer, available in A3 and A2 bed size. We've got the high-speed rotary axis on this table, which enables you to do full 360-degree printing, even on tapered objects like this glass here, really broadening the range of personalization projects companies can take on. High-quality print, high-speed print, all at a great price. And moving up from the UJF small flatbed printers, we now have our JFX 200 range. This is a brand new half bed size. Standard size enables you to print onto an 8x4 sheet. This is half bed, entry-level product, allowing people to step into flatbed printing. They might not have the floor space for a full 8x4 sheet printer. This could be the option for them. Likewise, those people that are using our UJF printers and want to step up their productivity, the new JFX 200 1213EX is a great solution. And our UV printing isn't just on flatbeds, it's also on roll-to-roll. This is our flagship product, which, as you can see, is able to produce some actually stunning print quality and designs. We're printing here onto a metallic vinyl, which enables us to create some graphics that really pop. If you're looking to produce that extra quality and add some value to your customers, Mimaki roll-to-roll UV printers can really deliver a punch.
So I'm here with Andy Gregory at the Hybrid stand at Sign and Digital UK. Hybrid were winners at the Sign Industry Awards last night, but unfortunately couldn't make it. So I'm here to pass it to Andy, just to make sure that they get the award that they deserve. So well done, Andy.
Thank you very much indeed. Really appreciate it.
No.
It's been absolutely fantastic here at the Sign and Digital Show, being able to talk to many of our customers and showcase the wide range of Mimaki technology. But if you've not been able to come and visit the show, don't forget you can come to our showroom in Crewe and see all of the Mimaki technology for yourself and explore what technology is going to move your business forward and make you more profitable for the future.